Good morning.
Good morning.
Morning.
Hi, Satya.
Good
Hi,
morning.
Atul.
Hi, morning.
Good. I was making sure I should not miss this meeting at any cost.
Absolutely.
Amit Singh. So Amit's been to a numerologist.
Sorry?
Amit means you've been to a numerologist or you yourself are a
No.
numerologist.
It is basically, I have two IDs and sometimes I get confused at which ID I've logged in.
Because people change their names, na?
Good morning.
Good morning, good morning.
Yes. People do change their initials and lot of names may change karte hain.
Good morning. Good morning, Dharmishta.
Great power in the meeting today. Wow, amazing.
Great power. Dharmishta is there. Power is there.
Yes, we need to just build a tree on this.
So, good morning and welcome, Shantanu ji.
Woman power hota hai.
Do include yourself.
Morning.
Morning.
Yeah. So,
Hi, Shantanu. Good morning.
yeah, hi. So this is my sort of first inner circle meeting, and I just connected with Atul about a couple of days back. So my background before I set out on my own was the IT industry. So I worked in Tech Mahindra and the HCL group.
So Shantanu, you will get an opportunity to introduce yourself as we start the thing.
Cool.
So till that time, we are just chatting.
Yeah. And breakfasting.
Yes.
Yeah, right.
What to do? I've been on Zoom call since 6 o'clock in the morning.
No, go ahead. It's a closed user group.
I'm so sorry.
No. So please go ahead. Yeah.
Because immediately after this, I'm on another meeting. So I don't know when I'll have my breakfast. So life is becoming interesting.
I can't do any meeting on an empty stomach. So somehow I'll put that on priority.
Yeah, sometimes I get up at 5:30 and have my breakfast. You know?
Atul posts these on live on Facebook. That is the scary part.
Oh, not this
love
one,
to
please.
have my breakfast.
Hey, Babri, I'm going to mute my video.
You switch
Hardly
off your
makes-
video for the while.
Hardly makes a difference. You already had bath, so it's okay.
Hey, bath shad to theek hai. I don't want to see people chomping on my breakfast. You know?
Exactly. Yeah.
No worries. That will be the headline for the Times of India tomorrow then.
So Deepak Malwai chomping his breakfast on a meeting. How unprofessional.
India wants to know what Deepak Mulvai having for breakfast.
So we all need to be very careful because we are live and these are recorded sessions on YouTube and Facebook and everywhere. And then how are we going to get projected later? We don't know.
I didn't realize, just now I saw that recording button, A few laughs didn't hurt anyone, but
Yeah.
I don't want to be making faces.
Absolutely all right.
Exactly.
Okay, good. So first time actually I'm meeting everybody. I came partially for the last meeting because I had something else scheduled that day. So it's nice, all such energetic people. Sanjeev Ahuja, I have known you since 1987 and you're still the same. Yeah? If I had met you anywhere, I would have recognized you. Slightly
Sanjeev ji,
older
unmute
version.
yourself. Sanjeev ji, unmute yourself.
और कुछ पहचानो या नहीं पहचानो, संजीव का एक यूनिक स्टाइल है, the way he carries himself.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. I'm just having problem in connecting desktop. I am already on mobile. I wanted to use desktop. Thank you, sir.
A desktop I find more comfortable in a largest meeting where there are more faces.
That's right.
Yeah.
और कुछ सिखाया नहीं लॉकडाउन ने टेक्नोलॉजी का तो ऑप्टिमम यूज सिखाया
Boss is there. I am seeing him after a long time.
Yeah, I'm Bankim. Sorry, my name is typed as boss. I'm Bankim.
I know, sir. We met at that meeting in that college. You remember?
Which college?
There was one college in Bandra.
Bombay Education Trust.
Yeah, Bombay Education Trust.
Bandra.
I'm not getting your video.
Because I'm having my breakfast and I've switched it off for the time
Oh,
being.
okay, okay.
I will show you my face in 2 minutes.
No problem. Khana shanti se kha lo. That saliva is more important to digest food.
I tell you. हमारी उम्र में saliva भी सूख जाता है, among other things.
Where is today's master of ceremony, Lion?
Everyone is a lion.
Okay, now I can show
Atul, you
my
have
face.
both the presentations with you in your laptop?
Yes. So, Amit, do you want me to show the presentation, or will you be able to manage it?
I will be able to. Just if you allow
Okay,
the
then I'll just make you the co-host. Yeah.
So now you remember me?
Yeah. The IITian.
No, I'm not an IITian.
You are not I, then
No, I only had some friends who were. I was not an IITian. I gave a lot of lectures at IIT also
Okay.
for their management school and all that, but I
At the
didn't study.
TLMM meeting.
What meeting?
So, Sanjeev ji, are we ready?
Yeah, we are ready. I mean, how many participants? I can't see the full thing.
So, right now we're 11.
11. Thoda 5-6 और. We are ready with the things.
Hello. Good morning. किस पे लॉगिन किया आपने? सर आईडी बदल गया ना सर इसका? हाँ जी. सर अभी मुझे ध्यान नहीं है. मैं आपको व्हाट्सएप पे शेयर कर देता हूँ.
Last week I had little trouble connecting. Today it was very easy.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
सर एक रास्ते पे बार-बार जाओ तो आसान हो जाता है.
पता नहीं यार, अभी इस उम्र में मेरे को टेक्नो शावी होना पड़ता है यार. All thanks to COVID-19.
आप अगर उम्र की बात करोगे तो हम लोग का क्या होएगा?
पता नहीं. क्यों इतना सन्नाटा क्यों है?
बस अभी बात कर रहे हैं सर, शुरू कर रहे हैं.
सन्नाटा इसलिए है कि सन्नाटा है.
I think we should start now.
टाइम हो गया.
Good morning, everyone.
Good
I'm
morning.
Sanjeev Ahuja. We are starting the inner circle meeting of eGrowth. Welcome visitors and members. Please introduce yourself. The leadership team over here is I take over as the president. Atul is the founder of the eGrowth, and Aarti is the vice president. We request you to please put your mobile phones on silent so that it does not get disturbed. And that is all. Aarti,
Okay.
would you tell the agenda first, Aarti?
Yes. Good morning, friends. My name is Advocate Aarti Bhulla. I welcome you all to the Inner Circle Gurugram. I am an entrepreneur, a professional, a homemaker, mother of two, and ever exploring and growing in my mind. I am an independent practicing lawyer based out of Gurgaon, and we take care of all your legal needs, including any contract drafting, registration, mediations, litigation, etc. I work with Sanjeev ji to ensure that you win your business. Let me take you through the flow of the meeting to go today. So first we will be introducing the leadership team, which has already been done. Now we will also tell you what is the purpose of Inner Circle. And each member and the guests present here today will get 90 seconds to present themselves and introduce themselves. And also they will also tell what did they do during the week with the other members of the Inner Circle. Then there is a create presentation session. This session is where one member comes up front and gives a presentation on his or her business. This presentation includes at least one challenge in depth. After that, all of us will get into the create mode and deliberate on the challenge. Create stands for C for challenge, R for resolution, E for enable, A for analysis, T for trust, E for empowerment. Today we will have Amir Vermani present the create session, and then is the learning capsule, which with the speaker will get time for 15 minutes and to share his expertise and knowledge to enable our business. After that, we have registrations for the guests and are given the opportunity to apply to the eGrowth Inner Circle membership. And that's how we complete the formal session for the inner circle.
Fine.
All right.
Now,
There's a slight twist. One is we'll not be taking 90 seconds. We'll be taking 30 seconds. Today, what I've done is I've prepared a presentation where each one of you have your profile already over there. There may be some things which are missing. It also has a timer. So everybody has 30 seconds in which you are talking about how many meetings you've had during this week, how many referrals you've given, how many referrals you've got, how much business you've closed, and what is, if you would like to thank anybody. All right. Now, what is missing is that in every slide, the next person's name is supposed to come. That is not in proper order. And I can see that even Aarti's email ID is wrong. So these are some things which have been missing. I completed this piece around 4 o'clock in the morning, completed in the sense it is still half done. But I would like to, the photographs are appropriate. Okay, so that is the one thing which is in place. So I would request you to please speed up, take care of the timer which will be there, and then build on top of it. All right. Yeah, Aarti, you can start with the introduction.
Good morning, everyone. This is Advocate Aarti Bhalla, and I am a litigation lawyer based out of Gurgaon. I practice all over Pan India, and as the client wants us to visit, Delhi and Gurgaon courts are regular that we do. We take care of your litigation, registration, mediations, contract drafting, and other legal notices, their replies, everything. So you can contact us for any kind of legal services. I also expertise in matrimonial, labor, civil, and to quite an extent criminal law courts. Thank you.
So how many face-to-face meetings, referrals, referrals got?
I had one face-to-face with Srividya, and I have given her an internal referral, and also the business has been closed. I have paid her 5,666 for my psychic fee.
Okay, fantastic. And who's keeping track of these statistics?
Rajesh Pandit was supposed to be there.
He's just logged in. Okay, fair enough. We'll move to the next one. So if you can see on the top, just above the photograph is the name of the next person. This is Amit Singh. From next week when we meet, this will be in order. Okay. Amit.
Yeah. Good morning, everybody. My name is Amit Singh Hussain. A detailed introduction. I have an opportunity today to give a presentation, but right now I run a fashion company which is in women fashion. Parallelly, I'm the co-founder of a Academy of Life Leadership, which is into business operations and digital marketing. And also, I run some my spiritual workshops parallelly. So this is my introduction. And meetings, I have done meeting with Sharda yesterday. We had a discussion, and I have some referrals to give it to her, which once we connect again, I will be able to do that. So that's so far we have done. So.
Fantastic. Thank you.
Thank you.
And Amit, as you can see, when we don't give a photograph, this is the kind of photograph which is displayed. Right? So it is
Amit,
long
please send your
pending from your
photograph.
side.
Yes, I will.
Okay. And And all of you, please complete your profile on the portal. Only then your data would be updated, right? Otherwise, people will not really know who you are. All right. Next one is Amit Upadhyay. I think he is not there. Amit Upadhyay is a sales trainer who's worked with automotive segment for a pretty long time. All right. Next one is Amir Virani.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good morning. So my name is Lion Amir Virani. We help startups, SMEs, and corporates to work smarter, increase productivity, and prepare for the business challenges that is now coming back to new ways of working. So we have Prime Infotech brand for software licensing, MyDAC for digital signature, MyTaxGuru for consulting service for ROC, tenders, IPR, legal contract drafting, Synergy for marketing and media. And we also have a business magazine by the name of Synergy Connects. Thank you, everyone.
Thank
How
you.
many face-to-face meetings? How many referrals got given? Business close, gratitude.
I'm just learning in a circle. So from next week, I'll be active because my Gyan session is starting from next week, free tally training for which Shagufta Madad connected with you. So now we are going with association and coming up with this Gyan sessions, learning sessions. So give me some time. Thank you.
All right, great. Next one is Ashutosh Kant. I think even he is not there. So Ashutosh Kant, he runs an IT applications business by the name One Card Solution. And he's from Delhi. Beyond that, I don't know much. Next one is Atul Puri. My name is Atul Puri. I'm the founder of eGrowth. I'm a business advisory or business consultant. I work with small businesses to help them simplify their business and also look at how to design their business well. eGrowth is one of the initiatives that I have, which helps businesses come together and grow. Right, face to face. So, okay. I don't really have the data myself, how many face-to-face meetings I've had. I've practically spoken to maybe 10, 15 people out of the inner circle and otherwise to many of them. Referrals given, referrals got, I have not got any referrals. In terms of referrals given, I would have given, I don't have a count of that, but I think maybe 5 to 10 referrals I would have given during the week. Business closed is 0. Gratitude, I'm in gratitude to each one of you for having spent time with me, having listened to me, and to have brought in a circle where it is right now. All right. Next one is Mr. Bankim Mistry.
Yeah, I'm Bankim Mistry. I'm in Mumbai. I'm a postgraduate engineer from IIT Mumbai. I represent MSME sector grievances with the government and ministries and departments. I am president of Bombay Small Scale Industries Association. Apart from this, I am associated with many other associations. At present, I am manufacturing roti making machine and kitchen equipment. Face to face, 0. Referrals given, 1. Referrals received, no. Business closed, no. Gratitude, I don't know what to say. Gratitude is the business what we have received and referrals, is it?
That's right.
Then I'm thankful to Mithilesh and Mr. Pandit.
Okay.
Fantastic.
What is the amount of business did you get from that?
I have not received, but I have given a reference of about 25,000 rupees to Mr. Mithilesh. Whether it is closed or not, I don't know.
Okay.
Okay, great.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So gratitude is not just about business close. So business close is a separate line item. Gratitude is you may be thankful to anybody. You may want to acknowledge somebody for the support he has given, some conversation of that kind. So that is what gratitude is all about. Okay. It's the qualitative piece. Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks. Yeah, thanks. Dipankar Prashar, I think he's not there. He's somebody who runs a business called, he's from New Delhi. He runs a company called Adi Trans Logistics, which is into international logistics. Beyond that, I don't have any idea. Next one is Deepti Srivastava. I think even she is not there. She's from Gurugram. She runs a company called Food Mantra, which is into food delivery and cloud kitchen. Next is Dharmishta Bhatia Shah.
Hi, Team eGrowth. It's a pleasure meeting you all every week once again. Professionally, I'm into the money-making industry. and that's insurance, mutual fund, Mediclaim and wills, financial background, because even Pradeep is a CA. So that's the professionalism we take ahead. Married to a money multiplier and a mother of a teen who is 14 years, blessed with 2 moms at home. Based in Mumbai, connected on call with Atul and a couple of other persons. No transactions happened so far. That's it from me. Thank you.
Gratitude for anybody?
All of you all.
Thank you. Dr. GV Kumar.
Yeah, those who are present, we should.
I think Dr. Kumar is
Good
there.
morning. Good morning, everybody. Sorry for joining late. There was
Sir, please be on mute. Your turn will come later, sir. Dr. Kumar, I think he's there.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so can you please introduce yourself?
Yeah, good morning to everybody. I am Dr. GV Kumar, basically a psychologist based at Chennai, and I am doing psychometric assessment for the needy corporates and giving some behavioral and soft skill training to the customized package for all the industries, the colleges, faculty development, school student, how to score more marks, and parenting. And I am a teacher for many universities for MBA and psychology. And since I'm retired from a Government of India hospital after serving for 30 years, then I am a pensioner and I'm doing the freelancing service now, along with our e-growth and business referrals. Not the business referrals. I just referred many of my people, friends, to come and join for our e-growth support, and still is progress. And I should gratitude to our Almighty and all our friends and our team. Thank you.
Awesome. Thank you. Jyoti Jain, I think even she is not here. She runs a digital marketing company called Brands Over the Moon. She's from Delhi. Manish Bajaj, I think he's also not there. So President Saab or Vice President Saab, one of you has to take care of who are missed, and appropriate action has to be taken around it. All right. Mithlesh Ji, I think he's there. Mithlesh Jha.
Good morning, e-growth.
Good morning, yeah.
In fact, my name is Mithlesh Jha, father of 2 teen child, husband of Ruby Jha, who is caring me and my child, and controlling also. Professionally, I am an international freight forwarder. International freight forwarder means transportation from your factory to your buyer's factory, and vice versa. If you are purchasing, then transportation from your buyer's factory to your factory. And personally, my mission is to establish as maximum as a job for job seekers by creating other new companies. Now, face-to-face meeting, I don't have any referral given, not any referral got one from Mr. Banking Mistry. Business closed not. Gratitude for Mr. Banking also, but he has thought to refer me. City New Delhi, mobile number is there, and I'm in touch with Mr. Banking for his project of roti making machine. So I will try to do something if I can do for his machines. Thank you.
Fantastic. Thank you. Naveen Gill, I think even he is not there. He is from Gurugram. He is into IT applications, into hosting of websites and related applications. Kusai Daginawala, I think he is also not there. He's from Mumbai into IT applications. His company's name is Avatima Technologies. Rajan Arora, I think even he is not there. He's from Nawashahar, Punjab. He runs a company called Ajit Singh Om Prakash Limited, which is into manufacturing of food products. They are one of the largest suppliers to Walmart in India, and they also do a lot of export. They also have a plant in Indore and a warehouse in Ghaziabad. All right. Next one is Raju Kadam. Even he is not there. He runs a company called Pixel by Pixel from Mumbai. They are a media production house. They do everything end to end in the media production space. Rajesh Budraja, is he there? Sanjeevji, is he there?
I can't see him on that.
All right. Rajesh Pandit is there. Rajesh, can you please introduce yourself?
Good morning, everyone. I'm Rajesh. I'm a founder director of Amicus Infotech Private Limited, which is an application development company. So we develop applications both in web as well as mobile. So we have been there for around now 15 years, and we might have delivered more than 500 projects. So that's about me. I had a face-to-face meeting with Deepak ji. He forgot to mention. So we had this meeting on last Friday, 5 p.m. and also had a very short meeting with Jyoti Jain. Yeah.
Any reference given, reference got, business closed, gratitude?
No, that's it. Yeah.
All right. So you did not get anything from eGrowth, is it, this week?
No.
No money?
I don't know exactly. So Sabya must be knowing. So Sabya is.
No. I'm talking about eGrowth.
No. He is also part of eGrowth.
No. I'm saying I sent you a check this week, right?
Oh,
Did you get that?
right. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Yes, I got an amount of 54,000 from eGrowth this week.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yes.
Riddhi, I think even she is not there. Okay, so Riddhi is from Bombay. She is a child psychologist. She's a TEDx speaker, and she runs a women organization called Lajja. Sabyasachi, is he there?
Sabya must be celebrating his birthday today. It's its birthday, so maybe.
Yeah. So happy birthday to Sabyasachi. Sanjeev ji.
Yeah, I'm Sanjeev Ahuja. I'm running a business called Motor Aids. It's a multi-brand car workshop. We can do servicing of cars, 20 cars at a time. We have denting, painting facility, mechanical, electrical, and we have a paint booth. We are opening a new workshop now in Hero Honda Chowk near Gurugram. Thank you.
Any face-to-face meetings, referrals given, reference got, business closed, gratitude?
Yeah, I had 4 face-to-face meetings. One with Dipankar, Amit Virani, Rajan Arora. I spoke to Vijay Shah. I spoke to you. I got referrals, 3 from you regarding the cranes, regarding other references. I'm talking to them. Gratitude is also to Dipankar. He referred me for a land purpose. Business closed is nil, but it is expected. Thank you.
All right. Satya ji.
Good morning, everyone. Thanks, Atul ji. I'm Satya Gupta. I'm an entrepreneur from Delhi. I'm running a startup called Blue Town India, connecting the unconnected. We do rural Wi-Fi in public-private partnership with the government. Our partners being BSNL and RailTel. So I had one-to-one call in last 1 or 2 weeks with Atul ji, Sanjeev ji, our Shah Bhai, and also Rajesh ji. So I could not give any referral, but I brought one invitee to Inner Circle, Mr. R.K. Mishra, who will be there. And I've yet to get any referral, no business closed, but gratitude, I'd like to mention and thank Atul ji, who has introduced me to this innovative concept of doing business and learning. and also to Master Sri Vidyaji, who has shown me the way to be wealthy, though it may be on the way. Thank you.
Fantastic. Sharda, I think she is also not there. No, she's there. Sharda.
Sharda, can you introduce yourself?
Unmute, Sharda.
Can't hear you, Sharda.
Unmute her mic.
I'm sorry. I'm Sharda Bhatia, and I'm the co-founder of Rustic Blends. Rustic Blends is mainly associated with artisans, village artisans, and we are committed to enabling them and at the same time showcasing their products to globally. And right now we are also getting into the farm products. We're associating with farmers also directly. My one-to-one meeting happened with Amit Singh, and he's going to give me some referrals. So that's it for me. And I would like to express my gratitude towards Atul Puri, first of all, for mentoring our team, and also the entire team of Inner Circle.
Great. Thanks.
Yeah. Thank you.
Srividya. Is Srividya there? Okay, so Srividya is somebody from Mumbai. She runs a company called Pure Energy Academy. She is a healer and a wellness coach, a Divya Shakti master, and a psychic reader. Sujit Thakur. I think he's also not there. So he's somebody from Bombay. His factory is in Thane. They are into manufacturing of industrial abrasives. The name of the company is RN Engineers. Sukhdeepak Malwai.
All right. Good morning, everybody. Like you said, my name is Sukhdeepak Malwai, and I have been a trainer, coach, healer, and a mediator for the last 30 years. So I've been conducting training programs, and I still do internationally. And the motto being, I'm a friend who is committed to the fulfillment of your vision. So with that motto, I've been conducting trainings many, many years, 150 organizations. Face-to-face, I have done a face-to-face with Atul Puri. I've done a face-to-face with Dharmishta. Referrals given, I have given referrals not to any member of this group, but I have introduced people to eGrowth. Referrals got innumerable references from Atul. Now, gratitude. First of all, I'd like to express my gratitude to Dharmishta for a wonderful session that I had with her. And Atul Puri always, for all the sessions that I've had, each time we talk to each other, it's very enlightening. So thank you very much, both of you. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Pleasure is ours.
Vijay ji. Mr. Vijay Shah.
Unmute.
Vijay Shah in the field of insurance for the 45 years. I'm a veteran. We do provide A to Z services for the insurance, from the designing the customized policy to the claim settlement. I had totally around 8 meetings with the face-to-face, and I gave one referral to Sri Vidya, but it did yet not materialize. I have not got any referrals. Business is not closed. Gratitude to everybody, each and all. Thank you very much.
Great, thanks. Vikas Goyal. I think even he is not here. So he's from Noida. He runs a company called Lavanya, which is into interiors and architectures. So they are both manufacturers as well as interior decorators. So they're able to execute. So supply, installation, and testing, commissioning. All right. Yeah, that's about it. Vinod Pandita, I think he's also not there. So Vinod Pandita, he's from Gurgaon. He is an MSME coach, a leadership coach, and been around for around 25 odd years, has worked with around 500 small and medium businesses in India, Middle East, and Africa. Yogesh Wadhwani, is he there?
Yeah, good morning.
Yeah.
So, my name is Yogesh Wadhwani, and I'm into the business of preventing and reducing the infections in hospitals and clinics, and reduce the deaths subsequently that happen during the hospital.
You are not audible.
Are you able to hear me now?
Yes.
Yeah. So I'm into the reduction of hospital-acquired infections, and for that I provide trainings to the hospital staff, and I also provide the products to reduce these infections. Products involve things like sanitizers, fogging machines, disinfectants, masks, etc. And I had face-to-face with Mr. Vijay Shah, and no referrals given or got yet, no business closed, and gratitude is to each and everyone who shares on this platform. Thank you.
Great. So thank you, everybody. Sanjeev ji, awesome job done. All right. So now we've got some guests also here today. So I invite all the guests to please introduce themselves one by one. So what you would be doing is you will share your name, the city you are from, the business that you are in, mobile number you can share, and people, those who want to copy, note it down, they'll make a note of it. And who has invited you? Are you considering to join in a circle or not? And maybe 5-10 seconds of what has been your experience so far. So Sanjeev ji, would you be able to call out the names, or should I do that?
Yeah, Mr. Ravindra Mishra.
Good morning, everybody. It's first time I'm joining. I'm invited by Satya and Atulji both to join today's meeting. And I was myself keen after attending for the last 1 week continuous meetings with eGrowth. Then I felt that I must join the Inner Growth. I am a telecom consultant having 35 years experience with the Government of India, TRAI, TDSAT, all the regulatory bodies, and I am basically a regulator, playing a role in telecommunication as a regulatory compliance consultant. I help the persons for getting license and others. So this is my short brief introduction. We are in telecom industry in end-to-end.
Thank you, sir. Mr. Shantanu Sen.
Yeah. Hi, good morning, everyone. Pleasure to be here, and thanks, Atul, for calling me over. I am based out in Pune. My company does basically two things. One is that we run an end-to-end program for management students on employability. So we've worked with about 15,000 students so far. It's a B2B model where we tie up with the institute. The second area where I am personally very heavily invested is working on various workshops, etc., with company. I also coach executives, and I work pretty closely with 3 or 4 companies like Gallup and Marshall Goldsmith and so on. It's good to be here. This is my first interaction other than one brief call which I had with Atul. And I find that in this group, there are a lot of people who are in a similar line of business, so to speak, and like-minded people. So I look forward to the next hour or so of this session. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Awesome.
I think we have introduced each and everyone.
No, we've got Pashupati also here on the group.
Mr. Pashupati Kundu.
Yeah, thank you and good morning, everyone. I'm Pashupati Kundu from Kolkata. I'm a business coach and I help business owners grow their business, make more money for themselves, and more importantly, free up their time so that they can live a better quality of life. I've been invited by Mr. Atul Puri. Thank you so much. And I also look forward to the next 1 hour of lively interaction and a lot of learning. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. We talk about Atul now, who's the founder of eGrowth. He's committed to nurture entrepreneurship. He spent over 2 decades in the corporate. eGrowth is a platform to cultivate and support structure to cause exponential growth for every entrepreneur. As a thought leader, Atul propagates first-hand experience. He's evolved as a hands-on entrepreneur who has adapted to the rapidly changing marketplace from small mail to email to cloud work culture. He has a rich experience having worked with market leaders and thought leadership. He's worked with CDAC, the public sector organization, who has been ahead of its time to enable Indian languages on computers and other IT platforms. Today, we have a create session. Create session is nothing but we're discussing about the challenges of the business, resolution of those challenges by the team who was there, enable the businessman to go into greater heights, analysis and trust building for that business, finally empowerment and enablement. Okay. Today Mr. Amir Virani is going to do the create session. Mr. Amir Virani is from the information age. Amir, would you like to introduce yourself first? Can you hear me, Amir?
Yeah. My PPTs, you know, yeah. Thank you. So let's start with my presentation. Yeah, so my name is Lion Amir Virani, to be specific. This is my branding. So let us do an evaluation of, today we are doing a tech exercise. My presentation is on software licensing. What is happening? People go for known products and they are spending more money in their software licensing part. So today we do a tech exercise on 2 products. One is Cofex Power PDF and second one is the Compare Docs. So just brief about my company. My company name is Prime Infotech. We are truly living in an information age. So today is an information age, work from home. So we have to be highly innovative and we have to provide solutions that can help manage SME business, corporates, startups with critical issues and confidence. We focus on helping companies leverage the power and utility of technology and software for competitive advantage and long-term growth. So we are partners of Cefic, Cofex, Acronix, Adobe, Microsoft, Bitdefender, Sophos, Teamweaver, Cisco, Spine, Tally, McAfee, and many more world-class brands. We serve 500 plus customers across legal, pharma, construction, retail, chemical, engineering, exim, pan-India. Next slide.
Amir, I'll suggest that you switch on your video.
Video?
Yeah. So that people are able to see your face.
So थोड़ा net का problem है.
ठीक है, चलेगा. All right. ठीक है.
Yeah. So I'm sharing this new solution, Compare Docs. This is as a document comparison solution where you can compare word to word, PDF to PDF, and with Excel comparison and PowerPoint comparison also. You can compare anywhere, anytime with any device. Now with work from home. Yeah.
Amir, sorry for interrupting. I think you not got the purpose of this presentation. The purpose of this presentation is to talk about your business. What is your business into, and at the end share the challenge that you are facing. So now if you consume this time to talk about the products, people may not get to know your business and may not get to know what is your challenge, and then we'll not be able to deliberate enough on this.
See, Atul, I've made this presentation for these 2 products I'm introducing in Indian market. So I need to know how we can come up. Yeah, so that was my reason
Yeah,
कि भाई
done.
other products are known, but these are not unknown, and how we can capture these products in this pandemic COVID times.
Sure.
So everything is there.
Yeah, great.
So just briefing about what these products are, then they can come up with the solution how they can help this brainstorming.
Perfect. Done.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah. So CompareDocs is being used by 500 million users worldwide. Next slide. Yeah. So it gives flexibility of comparing two versions. Accuracy is there, better than Apna Word. Yeah, better than track changes. Next slide. So this will give you an overview of how CompareDocs works. By sending a document, accepting and rejecting changes, you can work anywhere. PDF, Word, Excel. So in comparison environment, working on mergers and acquisitions, there are law firms, banks are there, client is there, buyer is there, seller is there, legal department is there. So the document goes across to many people, and there are many various versions are being created. So this gives you an overview of how this see the difference instantly. Next slide. Yeah. So I got a query from Sukhdeepak Malwai. The cost of CompareDocs is 22,000, whereas there is another version is there, Workshare Compare, that is around 30,000. So now coming to Power PDF, this is alternative to Adobe Acrobat. That's why I give this my presentation, Acrobating. So now there is a 71% savings with Adobe Acrobat. With Perfect Power PDF. Adobe Acrobat is for $540. This is for $179. And the beauty is this: okay, this is a perpetual license, a permanent license. So you don't have to renew the subscription every year. Adobe, you have to renew every year. And now in this COVID times, you have to evaluate your software licensing and go for alternatives. So we are here to help you with the alternative software licensing part. So here it is, it easily create, convert, edit, and secure PDF files, right from individuals to enterprise businesses. You can go for the cloud version is also there, easy to maintain. 2 million customers are trust Power PDF. Next slide. Yeah, the Power PDF right solution for your needs. Security features are there across enterprise. Simple licensing process is there. So this makes you a financial sense for going for Power PDF as well as for CompareDocs. Next slide. So the base of this today's tech exercise to create, edit, convert PDF. So you don't need to do acrobating with Adobe Acrobat. There are other alternatives are there. Next. So my target industry, friends, this will now help us in going for this thing where the solutions are being used. Legal industry, financial and accounting, government, oil resources, and energy industries. Next slide. Yeah. So now, friends, this is a new product for Indian market. Opportunities there, competitive pricing, which I just shared earlier. So these two things are there. This is a virgin market. Yeah, challenge. Budget cut for new products buying. Companies working at 50% strength in this COVID times. Economic slump. So friends, this is the challenge which you're facing from May month. We are trying to send mailers also, but IT persons or the decision makers are saying, we want right now, we are not looking for other alternatives. Let this lockdown get over. We will continue with our existing products like Adobe Acrobat, like Workshare Compare. So we are facing challenges how we want to get to them to at least evaluate the product, test the product, and later come to how many licenses they are looking for and how much savings they will go for right now. But what is happening? The decision makers, not so keen and the users are working from home, so they don't want to get disturbed with a new product during this COVID times, because they're working with restrictions, family, everything, and so they are not so keen to try to go for a new product, a new solution. But if they go for this one, they're helping the company to save a lot of money, and they will be contributing to the salary of employees who are not able to get because of like a office peon. He must not be getting the salary because he's not being productive to the company during these times. So now salary are being given to persons who are being productive, are adding sales. So friends, I'm now putting the floor to everyone. What are your suggestions to help me to get to this target audience? Can you go to the target audience? Target industry. Yeah.
Yeah.
So any references, anything?
Yeah. So here, as we open the floor to everybody in the room, I should share a couple of things. This is the create session, and you got to look from this acronym. C is the challenge. That is what Amir has just shared. And I'm sure this challenge would be there for all of you or most of us. All right. Second is resolution. What is the kind of things that you can think of which will be helpful for him to get through in his business? And this would be true for many of us as well. Okay. A is analysis. What in your opinion is the analysis for this particular situation? Okay. T is how can you build trust with Amir and otherwise also? How can you build trust in the market? Okay. And E is empower and enable. And also one thing which I missed was the first CRE. The E is empathy. Since all of us are working with the end users, with the customers, empathy is of prime importance. And right now in the scenario when we are pushed to the wall, empathy is the most important thing that we need to have. So I invite all of you to please start deliberating on it. We have around maybe 7-8 minutes for this now. So can we have some inputs, please?
So, hi everyone, Advocate Aarti Bhalla this side. Amir, I don't think this is because COVID is not going to last for long. So this is not correct to be sharing as a challenge right now. But yet now that you've shared, we will try to give you the inputs. Educating everyone is very, very important. So how do you educate people? Give webinars, showcase your product, because everyone is online. So that is the only way you can educate and publicize your products and tell the benefits over the previous ones. So online webinars are the best way to educate, but yet I suggest that these the challenges being faced during the COVID time should not be the ones which you should be asking over here. We should be talking about long-term challenges. Thank you.
Thank you, Aarti.
Yeah, and having said that, these challenges, what he's talking about, these are pretty normal challenges. They will continue even beyond COVID. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you, Atul.
Yeah.
I was going to say that.
Yes.
So these are new products, Aarti. These are new products. So they have to establish the branding and everything.
Fine, that's understandable. Yeah, Mr. Shripad Kulkarni has raised his hand. So, Mr. Kulkarni, please take some time to introduce yourself and please add to this. So, you joined in late, so we could not give you time to introduce yourself.
Yeah. This is Shripad Kulkarni from Nasik. I'm a manufacturer of sheet metal components and engineering industry, running an engineering industry in Nasik. I'm also Vice President of Nasik Industries and Manufacturers Association. As well, I have started my own Section 8 company, community-based business development activity known as BBN Global Association. I manufacture auto components, then switchgear components, and heat, ventilation, and air conditioning assemblies, right from ducting to AHU end. that is duct, grill,
Right,
diffuser, damper,
Kulkarni ji,
clamp, and all.
we'll come to a
Yeah,
detailed introduction
yeah,
later. Right now, if you can
yeah,
please get
yeah,
connected to the
yeah.
problem at hand.
Yeah. The present.
You're on mute.
Yeah.
Yeah. Presentation of Mr. Amir is really well, but only it is to be connected with need of the hour. There are no challenges, no challenge after COVID also. What he will have to sell a point is he will be reducing the manpower pre-COVID employment of the people. Suppose pre-COVID somebody had a staff of 100 people. By buying this product, whether the employer can reduce it to 95, 98, if his employment, see, so today or tomorrow somebody is going to lose the job. Nothing wrong in that, it is a business. So if he reduces his labor cost, maybe staff cost, then this particular software he can sell it to the employers.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Amir, I would like to know from you, how is it different from the Acrobat and does
So, Sanjeev ji, just a moment. Rajesh ji had raised a hand. Rajesh, could you please share? Yeah.
Can we have only one person who can conduct the things? Please take over.
Fine. So when Rajesh ji had already raised a hand, right? Yeah, Rajesh ji, please.
Amirji, see, now that you are going into the product, so normally normally as Atulji had said, so the structure is different. But let us now to come to the products now. For you, so I don't know how many of us, say for example, keep apart that money part. So we'll be able to use your software. So you have to bring that kind of an education to users or whomsoever you are talking about the product. Now, when I just talk about the product you are using for create, so we don't need any software because we can just create it using any document, say for example a Word, for example a Google Doc and all that, we can create a PDF form. So it is only about the editing. There are a lot of editors which are available free of cost. Why should a person spend 30,000 rupees to buy it? So I know that there will be a lot of features. That is what you have to tell the users why it is so compelling. And when we just talk about this COVID, so COVID or non-COVID, so it has so it can't replace people. So it will, if it has a use, it will be having a use in both the cases, COVID or non-COVID. So we have to have that kind of a clarity so that this product is compelling. So right now, I don't feel like it's very compelling. As
Rajesh, one moment.
Yeah.
We have got all the feature data sheets, product sheets, videos, and we will be organizing a webinar for the Indian market. So we have got a couple of clients also who have bought this product during non-COVID times. And this is one of the best alternative to Adobe Acrobat, which is the #1 leading player in this PDF market. So I've given the target industry where it is being applicable. Second thing, the cost saving is 71% over over Adobe Acrobat. This is a perpetual license. So I'll share all the details, product details through email, videos, everything, case studies where this companies have benefited. And then we can have a one-to-one discussion why you are saying this. What is the feeling like? Thank you.
All right, great. Sanjeev ji, back to you, please.
Yeah, Amir, we wanted to know more about the product since you are comparing it with Acrobat, who's the industry standard, and they've created the format also. Want to know how is it different, and will we have problems after it is this PDF is to read on other readers?
Yeah, I'll just I've got this document where I'm just opening a document which ye hai. Are you ready for Adobe's license renewal? This document is there, and then one moment. I'll just ye hai. Adobe versus Power PDF. Yeah. There is one moment. So, Sanjeev ji. Yeah. So I'm just taking an example of a law firm, Sanjeev ji. I'm taking an example of law firm. Ke PDF software for a law firm plays a very crucial part in a legal practice. Many firms are using Adobe. I think it's the only option.
Amir, I think you can please share the document with Sanjeev ji one
Yeah,
on
yeah, that was.
There are three more people.
That's why I said na कि भाई we have got very short time.
Yeah,
तो यहाँ पे संजीव जी के भाई इसको explanation में करने जाऊँगा तो काफी टाइम निकल जाएगा कि भाई इसमें क्या होता है कि
उनको
IT टीम का बेनिफिट है, यूजर्स का बेनिफिट है एंड रिस्क मैनेजमेंट का है, तो काफी सारा है. खाली लाइसेंसिंग का नहीं है सर, कॉस्ट सेविंग नहीं है.
Absolutely.
इम्प्लीमेंटेशन बेनिफिट है,
right.
सिक्योरिटी बेनिफिट है, सब चीज ये है.
Yeah. Vijay ji, you had raised your hand.
Amir, will appreciate, all clients will appreciate if you put the matrix comparison, no?
Sure.
Price, cost wise, no? Whatever you are going to summarize, if you give the single page summary, no, of A4 page, you will be suffice a lot of purpose.
Sure. Everything is ready. We have ये है कि भाई comparison sheets, everything is there with us.
Okay. Fantastic. Okay, Yogesh,
so they can,
you had something.
I can.
Fine.
I'll be organizing a webinar. Team.
Point well taken. Point well taken. Yogesh ji, can you please give your input?
Any references where we can?
Yeah, Amir, you can mail me the information. Okay, please. We'll
Sure.
Yogesh, you have something. Amit will come to you. I've seen your hand, and I think Shantanu ji, I have seen your hand as well. Yeah. Yogesh.
Yeah.
Please.
So I already, some members have already spoken about it. My basic thing is that if you got to sell your Power PDF, you need to show the comparison. So you have to use your compare docs only to show it to them. What I feel, and that has to be shown free initially, and subsequently. Why would a person change from Acrobat to your product? Well, that is something, either if they have to save something, save time, save money, or some value addition. So that's what needs to be seen. That's what I wanted to say.
Yeah, thank you, Yogesh. There is a brilliant, what I've come up with. I'll be creating this trial link for all the inner circle eGrowth members for Power PDF as well as for Compare Docs to check yourself and with your IT team how this product will help you get the benefits and cost savings. Thank you, everyone.
Okay, fantastic. Mithilesh ji, you had something to share.
एक बहुत बेसिक चीज बोलना चाह रहा हूँ सर कि आमिर जी आपका प्रेजेंटेशन अच्छा था लेकिन जो कॉमन लोगों को ज्यादा समझ में आया नहीं. तो सारे डिस्कशन में ये आ रहा है कि वो समझने की ही कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि आपका प्रोडक्ट क्या है. ऑल्दो अगर मान लिया जाए कि हम एक प्लेटफॉर्म पे ये चीज बात कर रहे हैं कि हमको ही समझना है, तो हम आगे कैसे समझा पाएंगे जो आपके रेफरल पार्टनर अभी यहाँ बैठे हुए हैं. तो जो योगेश जी ने बोला है ना, वो उस पे अगर ध्यान देंगे ना, चाहे वो 5 मिनट या 2 मिनट की ही चीज हो, भाई अभी आप ये यूज कर रहे हो और हम आपको ये दे रहे हैं, आपको ये 5 बेनिफिट होगा, हमको कॉमन आदमी को आराम से समझ में आएगा, तो आपकी बात ज्यादा बेहतर पहुंचेगी. अगर 2500 प्लेटफॉर्म पे हम जाएंगे लेकिन अगर हम उनको उनकी बेनिफिट नहीं समझा पाएंगे ना, तो हमारे लिए जो रेफरल पार्टनर है ना, या हमको, मैं छोटी सी शायद मैं वो कर रहा हूँ, लेकिन इस पे ध्यान देंगे तो आपके लिए पहले तो यूज करना बहुत इजी हो जाएगा.
थैंक यू मिथिलेश.
फैंटास्टिक.
थोड़ा अगर नहीं मानेंगे तो
there will be comparison भी आपको मिल जाएगा shortly. ये है कि Adobe versus Cofax Power PDF and Compare Docs versus Workshare Compare.
Okay, great. Shantanu ji, you had something to share.
Target industry. Sorry, Amit, thanks for the presentation. A couple of suggestions. One is you already said that look at the Adobe, sort of when you renew the contracts, right? So that's one piece, and I think it's a good idea to give trial licenses. one thing which has worked for me in COVID times is reaching out to my previous network. So it could be my college alumni network, it could be various things, and just telling various people what I'm into. And I think this COVID has given us some time to re-network again. So maybe you'd like to look at that as well.
Yeah, thank
Awesome.
you, Shantanu.
Awesome. Yeah.
Awesome.
Amit, you had something to share.
So, Amitji, I will not get into the details of the product because you have created the product, you know it better, right? So I would say that there are three things to a product launch. So you have to just get into product launch hota kaise and what are the steps. So first is like the product fit. So product fitment, if I talk about me personally, I think it's a good alternative which you have created because Adobe mein काफी restrictions हैं, a lot of entry barriers हैं. So it's a good alternative and it's a good creativity which you have done. Now the second thing is कि if you are defining the target audience better, so you have already defined it, I think so. आपने काफी थोड़ा सा filter किया हुआ है audience को. So जैसे for example in inner circles right now we have 18 people and there are a couple of people who are using it very intensely. Like I also do it. So I have this challenge. तो मुझे समझ में आ गया कि आप क्या बोल रहे हैं. So that you have also already done it. Now the third is the sales का जो framework होता है कि how to do a product launch, how to educate your new product and sell it. There is a system and you have to follow the same system. There is nothing that that will stop you to get new clients. So if you follow that and be positive, you will be able to do that because we need alternatives to different products because a lot of products have created their closed ecosystems. वहाँ पे it's very difficult to bargain. So that is my inputs right now. And for a detailed discussion, we can have one-to-one also.
Yeah. Thank you, Amit. I'll connect with you and definitely this is our best alternatives in today's times and future times also.
Yeah.
Thank you, Amir. Lovely presentation. We will connect back to you again.
Yeah. Definitely, Sanjeev. Technology persons have to be connected. We need to create a tech team. I'll share some ideas later, Sanjeev,
Sure.
one-to-one.
Sure.
Thank you.
Now,
thank you, everyone. Thank you, Atul. And thank you, Sanjeev ji, for connecting me on daily and being like a friend.
Thank you, sir. Yeah, being member of eGrowth is like having a whole team of salespeople working for you. eGrowth Inner Circle is the leverage platform in a B2B ecosystem, a business membership organization. We exist to empower and enable businesses through collaboration, excellence, and opportunities. We do this through online platform nowadays. Earlier we had offline as well. Business promotion and buyer-seller interaction, events for business development, consulting, coaching, training, etc. We also collaborate with other government and non-government agencies to promote local, national, and international businesses. eGrowth Inner Circle is by invitation only. Active environment for B2B engagements based on problem-solving methodology and distributed business consulting. Atul, would you like to talk about Inner Circle a little bit more?
Yeah, the first thing I want to know is who is the buddy for Lion Virani?
Yeah, we will appoint that and inform.
No. We are not going to appoint. We are going to have it right now. And this is something which is very important for it to actually come into existence. One, we have not taken a feedback on what happened last time on the create session. Second, we have not worked on so it does not make sense to just read the script and move on. So we are not doing a cleanup job. We need to do something which makes sense, real sense. So can we have a raise of hands, somebody who would like to be a buddy with Amir Virani? The job of the buddy is to ensure that the points which have been noted now in this conversation, Amir takes appropriate action on them. Your job is to nudge him to dig deeper into those points so that he actually gets benefit out of it. See, today it is Amir Virani, tomorrow it will be you. You will get support only if you come out and support. And this is the time of showing how much you are ready to come out of your comfort zone.
I can do that.
Great.
But I'm not tech savvy, I'm sorry. If that will work for Amir, it will be good.
So to be a buddy, you don't need to be tech savvy. You need to be a human being, somebody who can listen, and somebody who can speak.
Well said, Atul.
You're
Well
paid
said.
to speak.
And it is always good to have a non-tech guy as a buddy, because then so you will just lead him to that phase where we can just explain it to anyone.
See,
if it's okay with Amir, I will take. We are both in Mumbai.
Okay, thank you, Bankim.
Right. So see, what Rajesh just said. So Bankim ji, we'll just come to this. What Rajesh just said, we had a demonstration of that. When Mithilesh ji, he said कि जी हमें ज़्यादा कुछ समझ नहीं आया, हमें केवल ये समझ में आया कि जी क्या आपने ऐसा बनाया जो सबको समझ में आए. अगर हमें समझ ही नहीं आएगा तो हम आपके प्रोडक्ट के बारे में बात क्या करेंगे? Can you get that?
Correct.
So that was very simple, very crisp, and very straightforward. Right? That is the actual way of helping somebody else. So definitely, so Rajesh, at times not being tech savvy itself is being tech savvy. Yeah. So now between Aarti and Bankim ji, who would like to support? Or if both, I'm okay with that also.
Let Amir decide.
I'll connect one to one. But ये है कि भाई everyone will be playing a role because Adobe सबके पास Acrobat license version तो रहेगा ही. Most of the I'm just assuming. So I'll take a feedback from everyone.
I would like to.
ये रहेगा ही.
No.
Pleasure to connecting with everyone.
Amir, here the point is who will be a buddy with you.
So I'll go for Aarti.
Okay, great.
I'll go with Aarti.
Fantastic.
Because क्या रहेगा कि why I'm just saying she's coming from a ये legal background रहे.
Yeah,
so,
time ये थोड़ा overshoot हो गया है.
हाँ.
अभी हमको अमित के पास जाना है next. Yeah. So Sanjeev ji, thanks for giving me this opportunity. I'll speak about Inner Circle towards the end. Right now, let Amit take his session because that was the learning session which was committed, and after that we have that conversation. Yeah.
Ravindra ji, come in frame, please.
Yeah. Amit Singh
Can you make me the
is an MBA from University of Bangalore, and he's done his executive management from IIM Lucknow. He worked in multinational corporates in India and US from 2000 to 2012. He's associated with companies like Walmart, NDDB, Mother Dairy, Big Bazaar, RP Goenka, others. Apart from that, he's worked with Spencer's Retail, ITC, KSA, ENY, and he's been consulting to ENY, AT Kearney, Tesco, Airtel, and other companies. And then shifted to adventurous journey of spirituality and moving on. Amir, over to you.
Atul ji, can you make me the co-host?
I made you the co-host.
Thank you. So
सर मैं करता जाता हूँ, सुनता कम हूँ, बोलता और भी कम हूँ. संजीव जी ने दिल से बोला है.
दिल से. तो मेरे पास 15 मिनट मुझे मिले हैं to get this learning session, and I think that I hope to add a lot of value, and अगर कोई detailed question होगा तो I can take it later, but I will try to complete it within 15 minutes.
Yeah.
So this is all about e-commerce. So just let me share my screen. So can you see the screen, please?
Yes.
Everybody can see and everybody can hear me. So I have experience in e-commerce business since 2012. Fortunately, I've got into this industry when this e-commerce wave started in 2011. So वहाँ से ये start हो गया था, and I've been trying to understand this. This is a wild beast, and but at the same time it's a money spinner. तो अगर किसी को e-commerce business के बारे में जानना है तो आज 15 मिनट है मेरे पास, but उसमें से I will try to give you by and large critical crux of the piece, because in 15 minutes it's difficult to tell the entire thing. So, and everybody is a matured entrepreneur here. I see a lot of experienced people. So I have made this very concise or critical points I will be discussing here, so that everybody knows. It's a good business to do, and you can make a lot of money in this, and you can be profitable too. So the e-commerce business is there. So I think my introduction, I think Sanjeev ji has already given, and thanks to Sanjeev ji because he has given me this opportunity. I was not prepared. He called me and said, "Ki aapko karna hai." So I think there's a disturbance. Can please mute yourself if there's something there. So yeah, so my journey is like I have done my MBA from Bangalore, and then from IIM Lucknow I did my supply chain executive management course. I have been associated with 7 companies across my experience, right from Walmart to Tata's and NDDB, Future Group, Spencer's. Technopack Consulting is one of the largest company in India and UAE for retail consulting, and associated with consulting project with McKinsey, EY, AT Kearney, Tesco, all these companies. 2012, I quit my job. I turned an entrepreneur. There was a shift in me that I want to do something on my own, and then eventually I shifted to spirituality. Spirituality is something which I do. It's a core of my being. I don't do it for money, and it is something which I'm pursuing. I have a passion for music, spirituality, and problem solving. So this is a short introduction of mine. Abhi tak, I think you guys must be knowing me of apparels and all that, but I have done certain milestones which I have achieved so far in my journey. Is that one is I have created a national brand for women's fashion, which is ayani.com. You can see it has a unique e-commerce model, and it competes at par with national and international brands. At the same time, I am the co-founder of a business consulting firm, which is, so it was started as an academy of life, leadership and care. And one of the verticals is digital experts, where we thought that e-commerce and digital is the future. So we specialize in scaling up e-commerce and digital marketing. We are a team of 5 members spread across India in different parts. They're all experienced people. 80% of the design and model is architected by me. And I also do transformation through spirituality workshops, and this I do for the to upliftment of the society and at large. So these are the milestones. Coming to the main topic, okay. So how to build an e-commerce empire from scratch? There are different functions, and when we say e-commerce, हमको लगता है कि it's like it's only for products, but it can be product and services both. ऐसा नहीं है कि केवल, but by and large the connotation has been for products, because ज़्यादातर ये products से start हुआ था. So but having said that, it can equally be applicable for services and products. Products may you have larger scale. Services you have a different business model, which is a detailed discussion, which we can have on a different session altogether. So typically in a e-commerce, so right now I'm talking about products, and here I will also include some services also. So typically what happens is कि there is a online store. So हमें लगता है कि अगर e-commerce है तो एक website है, but website के पीछे there is a engine running. बहुत बड़ा engine चलता है, तो उसमें बहुत functions होते हैं, and the companies like Amazon and all today have become so big that they have taken over economy of certain countries. I mean, in fact, it has the Walmart is in threat with because of Amazon right now, and wherever they enter, they actually capture the entire country. So this is the kind of scale one can look for in e-commerce. So if you do it right, so इसमें there is a website which is a storefront जिसमें आप अपने products and services you sell. Then there is a backend which is called a fulfillment center or a distribution center जहाँ पे आपके storage and logistics होते हैं. I think Mithilesh must be knowing it better. So I will not go into the logistics because it's again a different domain altogether. And then you have different servicing. After the product is ordered, then it goes to the customer. There is a logistics, there's a return logistics. A lot of people don't know that there's something called return logistics business, which is very, very much profitable business in the US and UK. अभी तक वो इंडिया में start नहीं हुआ. Nobody has actually captured the return cycle of logistics so far. So there is an online store. Then there is, if you talk about services, there is something called shoot photography. जो images की photography होती है, it has to be very optimized and very rational photography होती है. You have that packaging, then you have return to vendors, and then you have refunds policies. You have to do a lot of ads to promote your product. There is a different kind of different business model in e-commerce. So there is one called inventory led model, जहाँ पे आपके products Amazon के warehouse में जाते हैं या आप किसी third party warehouse में रखते हैं, वहाँ से the customers are serviced geography wise. So that is something called geo tagging with products. So अगर आपका कोई product है, तो if you are keeping in your let's say Delhi का warehouse में, तो वो Delhi के लोगों को ही दिखता है. So हमें लगता है कि वो सब लोग देख रहे हैं, but it is not the case. So there is some kind of a process to it. So that happens. And then there is something called if you have a product, so you can ship it from your place also. You don't have to give the inventory to someone. You can ship it from your place. अगर आपके पास limited inventory है, अगर आप उसको दूसरे से share नहीं करना चाहते. Then there is a model called there are three or four kinds of model which we talk about in here. एक होता है B2B model which everybody is aware. तो B2B जैसे physical हम करते हैं wholesaling में. Now everything has gone online for wholesale. So it is very interesting to know कि जो भी आजकल physical trading होती थी या wholesaling होती थी या manufacturer का होता था, तो there are a lot of marketplace which has come which are enabling the manufacturers to connect to the buyers. So this is a very good thing which has happened, and it's a bigger than the B2C market. B2C is less. The B2B is again like Alibaba. If you must be knowing, I don't have to tell about what Alibaba is all about. So they have created a B2B ecosystem. India mein there are a lot of companies which have started, and this is in all the verticals, right from any products you talk about. So they have catered to every product so far. So there is a B2B model, there is a B2C model, then there is a B2B2C model also. So which is business to business and to customers. So there's an integrated, and everything is happening digitally. And then there is a C2C model, which is a customer to customer, a consumer to consumer you can talk about. And right example of C2C is OLX. So OLX is what? I mean, it's a C2C basically. So again, it's a it's a good e-commerce way of selling your services and products. Then you have different types of fulfillment. One is called dropship. अगर आप Amazon के साथ करते हैं तो आप अपने यहाँ से ship कर सकते हैं. Otherwise, you can give your products to the marketplace के जो warehouses वहाँ पे रख सकते हैं. And then there is a system called outright where you can sell everything outright to all these parties. If you have a good product, they will keep it. So this is what happens in the e-commerce. You have various functions. अगर आपके पास कोई product नहीं है या कोई if you want to do services, so you can be in the entire ecosystem. So what you have to do is you have to look at इस पूरे ecosystem में where do you fit in. Like you can be in logistics, you can be in returns, you can be in photo shoots, you can be at cataloging, you can do in listing, you can do a lot of things. It's a total ecosystem. तो आप कहीं पे भी fit हो सकते हैं. So you don't have to think that I am a manufacturer, I will not be able to do it, or maybe I am doing this, so मेरे लिए नहीं है. E-commerce has something to offer to everybody. So it all depends upon कि आप क्या करना चाहते हैं. Even if you have not started so far, you can start again. And there is a way, and this is a very parallel business which you can do apart from what you are doing, or you can integrate your business with this new model, and then you can have more revenues and you can have more sales.
So Amit, there was a question, what is FBA and SOR?
Okay, so FBA is known as fulfillment by Amazon. So this is a very common term. मैंने इसलिए डाला था क्योंकि ज़्यादातर Amazon पे लोग करना चाहते हैं. तो what happens in this case कि अपना product आप Amazon के warehouse में रखते हैं. And वहाँ से they will keep on servicing the customers very fast because आप नहीं कर पाते हैं. रात में order आ रहा है, कभी दिन में order आ रहा है. So your office will open from 9 to whatever the time, right? And you will be amazed to know that it is a 24/7 business. If you order today, you get delivery tomorrow morning. So रात में shipment हो रही है, रात में orders आ रहे हैं. And e-commerce is such a beautiful thing that everybody, you never know who is ordering at what time. 1 बजे रात में अभी yesterday I got an order in the morning. Somebody has ordered on my fashion portal. We got some 10 orders, that was around some 30-35,000. और रात के 2 बजे किसी ने order किया है. So it is just amazing to see how people are responding to these things, because it's an impulse purchase, mood purchase. You never know, somebody is browsing in the night. So that's called FBA. SOR is basically known as sale or return. Sale or return में क्या होता है कि suppose you have, for example, let's say if you have 100 units of anything, आप 100 units वहाँ पे आप उनके warehouse में रखते हैं, जितना वो बिकता है वो बेच देते हैं, they will cut their commission and pay you, and rest you can take it back. जो नहीं बिका वो वापस आ जाता है. And if you want to continue selling, you can discount it there only, but it is not an outright model that आपने 100 unit उनको दे दिया तो 100 units sold. ऐसा नहीं होता है. The third is outright. So OR is outright, and the second is SOR. So this is what is the.
Got it.
If I've answered it right.
Yeah.
So technically you can be in any of the ecosystem. So I would suggest that you should look into this e-commerce thing because it is going to be the future. Okay, now coming to your own store. So it is very important to have your own store. क्योंकि marketplaces में sell करने का मतलब है you are actually bounded by their policies and procedures. So every time they will change their policy, some government guidelines will come in, or to be honest, you know how a business is all about. Everybody is looking for their own benefits. These corporates are not exceptions to this. I think they're the most highly processed people. तो उनके जो policies होती हैं वो इतनी fine lines होती हैं, जो contracts और agreements होते हैं वो इतने refined होते हैं that you will not know कि आपकी कौन सी deduction कब हो गई, कौन सी payment कब कट गई. There are a lot of disputes which can happen. You cannot even dispute them because it's a one-sided stuff. I mean, by and large, I'm not saying that they are bad or good or anything like that. It's more of a business case to case, but it's very imperative that you should have your own store. So you start building your own online store. आप जो भी कर रहे हैं, आपका कोई भी service है, आपका product है, कुछ भी है, you should start building your own store and take it to a level where you are able to actually achieve those kind of numbers which you would like. Those numbers are very small in the entire ecosystem. आपको जितना चाहिए for your own growth, it is very less. It is very minuscule. So it is very achievable numbers. The only thing is that you fall prey to wrong people, you fall prey to wrong agencies, you fall prey to wrong people. So उसमें कहीं ना कहीं your this knowledge is lost. आप काफी operations में फंस जाते हैं और काम नहीं हो पाता. So I would like that you create your own custom website. Either is a product or a service. So, and definitely everything is on mobile, so it has to be more mobile responsive thing these days. ये slide मैंने इसलिए बनाई थी so that everybody knows by and large technically, because I'm not here telling knowledge about e-commerce. It is generally business what happens. तो ये मैंने product के लिए बनाया है, service के लिए different होगा. Product to product, case to case, it might differ. So don't take it as a very literal thing. It is general that average sale price of 1,000 rupees product का sale कितना आ सकता है. So technically, if you see Amazon में you can do from 5 lakhs to 10 lakhs in the initial years, मतलब 6 महीने के अंदर. Flipkart you can do around 4 to 20 lakhs. People are doing this. These are realistic numbers. Paytm you can do 4 lakh to 15 lakhs a month. Own website you can do 20 to 20 lakhs a month, 10 to 20 lakhs a month. Others means other marketplaces जहाँ पे आप कर सकते हो, छोटे-छोटे जो बहुत websites आ गई. 3 to 4 lakhs per month. Lot of Japanese companies are coming now in India. Rakuten and sort of thing बहुत सारे हैं. Singapore is a very good market right now for e-commerce. They gel with the Indian community a lot. वहाँ पे काफी websites आ गई हैं. You can do business with Singapore as well. US से कर सकते हैं, international कर सकते हैं. So others में 3 to 4 lakhs a month. International you can do 8 to 10 lakhs a month. So put together 1 crore a month. I don't know. I mean, this is something which is happening right now. So it is achievable. The only thing that you have to do it right, and you have to be very focused. It's not a side business. It is not a side business. So you have to do very focused way. So this is the kind of sales you can generate. Now everything you would like to know about e-commerce. कैसे करना है? अगर start करना है तो कैसे करना है? I'm sure that आप लोग बहुत experienced हैं यहाँ पे सब लोग. I know some knowledge आपके पास already होगी, but फिर भी मैंने एक framework बना दिया so that if somebody wants to know about this. Starting off as anything, you have to meet an expert because अगर खुद से experiment करेंगे तो time भी जाएगा, पैसा भी जाएगा, दोनों जाएगा. बहुत time लग जाता है समझने में. I took 7-8 years. So initial में I was slightly not very happy क्योंकि 2011 से 2013 there was a boom of e-commerce. So my sales was touching around 20, 30, 40 lakhs a month. and मुझे ऐसा लगा कि I have done something great. मतलब I was patting myself on my back. यार मैंने बहुत अच्छा काम कर दिया, मैंने कुछ नई चीज कर दी है लाइफ में, मेरी सेल बहुत अच्छी हो गई है. But it was not the case. It was basically industry was booming. So after some time the sales dropped drastically, and that is where a lot of companies started changing their policies, procedure, government regulations. A lot of companies got closed in e-commerce. बहुत सारी companies बंद हो गई बाद में. So that is where I was not very happy about the entire thing. That how to manage. So couple of years it took me to understand कि इसको करना है नहीं करना है, because retail was also happening, this was also happening. But I kept on pursuing this. मतलब I was like trying to
थोड़ा सा
understand.
जल्दी करो, क्वेश्चन है लोगों के.
Yeah, okay. So I think it's one or two slides more. Yeah. How many times? How much time I have right now?
Time is already over.
Acha, okay, sorry. I'll just finish up.
Please.
So yeah. So what you have to do, you have to meet an expert, and you have to develop your product, and then discuss about what kind of fulfillment you want to do. You have to budget this, get your photo shoots, images right, and क्या गलत हो सकता है इसमें ये बता सकता हूँ कि if you do it wrong, then you might do a lot of sales, आपकी profit कम होगी, you might get into high on operations but less on sales, you will not know the algorithms of these people, you might spend a lot on ads, and you will be low on presentation. अगर आपकी images अच्छी नहीं है तो आपकी sales अच्छी नहीं आएगी. Caution ये है कि बहुत सारी agencies हैं e-commerce में, तो they don't do justice to the small medium enterprises और जो लोग start कर रहे हैं, because they are looking for bigger corporate accounts और वो बहुत expensive होते हैं. So all the time you will pay money to them to set up things, and then finally you will not be able to do that. So I would not initially don't go for that agency, bigger agencies. And every business is different, so you have to have a customer approach. As I told, experimenting will not give you anything. Don't experiment too much. And your focus as a business owner is very important. So expert तो जरूरी है, but आपका भी focus जरूरी है. So दोनों के साथ अगर हम काम करते हैं तो अच्छे से होता है. So this is the final slide. I think what we are doing is we don't do as a mass thing services on this, but we have developed a beauty custom e-commerce company which focuses on providing services for e-commerce and digital marketing. So it is not available for masses, but then we might open it to masses later. So अभी हम ये कर रहे हैं, and these are the benefits you can get. You can get the best rated business model where you are making money. So people are already making money in certain business model, वो आपको पता चल जाता है. We tell you that, and also there are some inside secrets how to sell on Amazon, Flipkart, international e-commerce companies. So these are the benefits you get apart from the expertise and the entire business process what we do for e-commerce. So yeah, so these are my coordinates. If आपका कोई friend है या कोई भी, if you want to know anything, so obviously you can get in touch with me. I will be able to help you. I hope that this time थोड़ा कम था, तो I have done it very concisely. So any detail I can take it questions now.
I'll be a buddy to Amit.
Or what?
Presentation है ना, इसीलिए.
अच्छा, हाँ ठीक है, वो presentation पकड़ने को भी कोई चाहिए ना. Right. So there were some questions. I think Mr. Sripath Kulkarni had a question, and Mithilesh ji had a question. So can you please ask? So we have a couple of minutes. We actually overshot the time, but yes, we can take maybe 5 more minutes.
मेरा क्वेश्चन तो ये है कि भाई कितनी जल्दी 1-to-1 करते हैं. क्यों मेरा पार्टनर जो है, मैंने लिखा भी है, मेरा पार्टनर IIM लखनऊ का सप्लाई चेन का ही एलुमनी है, तो मे बी जो एज है आप दोनों का सेम ही लग रहा है, तो कहीं आसपास ना हो, देखते पहचान ना जाए.
So by the way, Amit is the youngest among us right now on the inner circle.
Why do you know that?
इसीलिए उसकी स्पीड और लैंग्वेज थोड़ी सी अलग दिख रही है. हाँ जी.
अच्छी बात है, प्रेजेंटेशन बहुत शानदार था.
My question is, can a small enterprise or a association of enterprise enlist their product or portal like e-commerce? Suppose I have a e-commerce portal which consists of 1,000 manufacturers, different products. can he list on other e-commerce portal, like on Amazon or Flipkart or something? That is one. Number two, I would like to have one-to-one meeting with you. Please specify a time.
Can I add something to Mr. Kulkarni in the same line?
Yeah.
See, Mr. Amit, most of the MSME associations have their own site, but they have not converted it to e-commerce. So can you help them? Is it okay, Mr. Kulkarni?
Yeah, true.
Yeah. So yes, it is very much possible. So anybody can do that. There is a process to it. तो उस process से अगर जाएंगे तो हो जाता है. थोड़ा effort लगता है, थोड़े से contacts भी चाहिए होते हैं. अगर थोड़ा जल्दी कराना है तो I have my own network. मेरे 2-3 friends हैं वहाँ पे. Everywhere some कोई ना कोई है जिन्होंने नौकरी नहीं छोड़ी अभी तक. I was the only one who left.
So it is possible.
Possible.
Mr. Kulkarni, we all should do this actually.
Yeah, true.
So incidentally, there are 3 people here right now, 4 people who run ecosystems for small businesses. So Mr. Bankim Mistry, Mr. Kulkarni, Mr. Satya Gupta, and Mr. Ravindra, they run the same one, and obviously Atul, me. So from that perspective, I think an ecosystem of entrepreneurs, that is something what the interest is right now.
Yeah, true.
Yeah. Rajesh has raised his hand. Anybody, Rajesh, you want to ask something?
Yeah, I mean, it was a very nice presentation. Now, having an experience of over a decade in e-commerce, so I have some suggestions for people. Like, so for example, now if you are in some trade and just suddenly feel like going in on e-commerce, so I don't suggest that you should do that, because e-commerce isn't, say, for a small setup, it is in parallel activity. You can't beat players like big players, because so there's a lot of money which will go into branding yourself, into, say, going to the target page. Now, so I will suggest, like, for entrepreneurs, so for small, the SMEs and all that, if they already are in the products, if they are selling it offline, then go for the online model, because then you will be complementing your offline model. Otherwise, if you want to discover new, so I don't suggest that you should do it. So rather it is I'm just saying contrary, because it is so I'll like that everybody goes and so our business grows.
Of discover new?
Yeah.
Discover
new is like, I'm not into, so I say, for example, so I'm not into selling things, so I'm in software development. So tomorrow I just decide, like, say, yaar सारे पैसे बना रहे हैं, so मैं भी एक e-commerce का करूँ. So that is not my business. So I'm not selling things.
You mean floating new e-commerce site?
Now I'm saying that floating something so which you are not doing. So for example, आप कल FMCG products कर रहे हो जो आपकी strength है ही नहीं. से आपकी जो strength है उसी को अगर आप complement करोगे, so that is how you will do it. Because
let me clarify, Rajesh. Yeah. Let me clarify.
Yeah.
We are 40 people in this group, for example.
Yeah.
And Mr. Amit in e-commerce. Other 39 are not in e-commerce. But we want to promote Mr. Amit's e-commerce, so we have to learn it, isn't it?
Yeah, surely.
So when we learn from Mr. Amit, I'll use it for my product also. What's wrong in it?
So I'm not saying that there's anything wrong in that. So what
I'm trying to understand.
Yeah, no. That is what I'm just saying, that yes.
So fine. Rajesh's opinion is also one of the 40 opinions.
Yeah.
Okay, take it like that.
Yes.
All right.
I would say that it is an enabler to your offerings.
Yes.
Yes. So use it at your advantage. So that is what I would say.
May I know, Mr. Amit, what is the percentage of e-commerce purchase in India as compared to entire market?
Sorry, come again.
Less than 1%.
What is the percentage purchase happening in India?
Consumption. Okay. So right now the e-commerce share of retail in the total retail market is around close to 1%. Yeah, what he said is right. Because organized retail is 3-4% है, तो e-commerce कितना होगा? E-commerce तो उससे भी कम है.
बट सर यही अपॉर्चुनिटी भी है सबके लिए।
बहुत बड़ी
हाँ, तो
$30 billion
what is the
का है ये,
potential?
$20
What is
billion.
the potential?
Potential is
If you-
tremendous.
Huge.
50 times.
as
100% of our GDP is the potential.
अच्छा ठीक है, सो एवरीबॉडी, अमित ने आज आग लगा दी है, so can we give a big round of applause to Amit?
Thank you, thank you. But
cheers.
I would like to thank संजीव जी because ये मेरा आइडिया नहीं था. ये संजीव जी ने मुझे कहा था करने को, तो I didn't know मैं ये दे सकता हूँ. I didn't know, actually I was thinking कि मैं क्या दे सकता हूँ इस सर्कल में.
सर संजीव जी जो है ना वो जौहरी किस्म के आदमी हैं, उनको पता है कौन कौन सा डायमंड कहाँ कहाँ पड़ा हुआ है.
Amit ji, you are a young blood. You know so many things जो हम लोग हमारे ज़माने में कभी सोचे भी नहीं थे.
नहीं सर, I mean I have to learn a lot. मुझे पहले तो डर लग रहा था कि everybody is such a experienced person here. तो
भाई हमारा ये
lovely presentation.
ये सारों का एक्सपीरियंस ये जो उनके आड़े हाथ आता है.
Thanks.
Thank you, Amit. Thanks a lot.
All right. So
thank you. It was great, Amit. We would like to contact you as soon as possible.
Anytime.
Okay.
Yeah. For the guests here today, we welcome you to submit an application for membership. The annual fees is one-time investment of 18,000 rupees. An introductory offer is for 15,000 plus GST, amounting to 17,700. And we would like to compare the value of this investment of 17,700 with the cost of getting business in any other way. The cost of Google, Facebook, social media campaigns are expensive. Let me share the value you get at eGrowth. If you look at how large companies create growth in their business, we realize that they engage consulting companies like KPMG, PwC, McKinsey, who charge lakhs and lakhs of rupees. Small businesses like us have challenges, and these consulting companies are beyond our budget. So I would request those members who have just joined it, please get in touch with us and join together. Anything else, Atul?
Fantastic, awesome. So, Mr. Kulkarni, are you considering to join?
Let him incubate a little, please.
Okay, done.
I'll be going one-to-one with him.
Okay, fantastic. All right. We also have Mr. Ahsanul Haq, who has kind of joined in between and also joined right now. So, if he can please introduce himself. Haq sahab, please introduce kare apne aap ko. He is also a very interesting character. Okay, you will be pleased to know him.
Say personality, not character.
I am extremely sorry for the choice of words. Haq sahab, please बताएं. Okay, I think he's on mute.
He's mute actually.
Yeah. So, Mr. Haq, he's the president of Jalandhar Management Association. So he's from Jalandhar. Okay, he's a very well-known educationist across the state of Punjab. Has been associated with many associations, chambers, and knows the people there one-to-one. All right. Yeah. Okay. There he is. Hanji, Haq sahab.
Yes, Mr. Puri. Good morning. Good morning, everyone in the meeting.
Yeah.
Hope everyone is hearing me.
Yes, we will hear you.
Yeah, I enjoyed.
अगर आप चेहरा भी दिखाएं तो हम आपको मुंह दिखाई भी दे देंगे.
नहीं. I enjoyed today's session and it was highly knowledgeable session. So few things in just a minute I want to suggest post this session.
Yeah, please.
Am I permitted?
Yeah, please.
Am I permitted to?
Yes, please.
For a minute.
Go ahead.
हाँ जी. बस पहले अपना तारुफ करा दीजिए.
Okay, मेरा तारुफ ये है जी कि I am from the Indian Civil Services background of 1986 batch, and after spending about 20 years with the Punjab government, I choose to resign from the job and then started my multiple businesses, and one of the most most of my time I spend in teaching to aspirants of the Indian Civil Services. Plus, I work on a program called Mentor on Road, जिसमें हम लोग जो है connect करते हैं Indian businesses with the international market scientifically. Besides, I work as a mentor on the startup division of the Government of Punjab, Department of Industries and Commerce. So overall, to sum up everything, I work on a knowledge management program, and that's why today's session is really very inspiring to me. I am very inspired with the knowledge and especially in the e-commerce domain. So thank you so much. और मैं जो share करना चाहता हूँ कि after this COVID-19, what are the major 5 changes have taken place wherein this e-commerce play.
We've lost you, Aksab. Aksab, we've lost you.
Yeah.
Okay, so fine. What we would do is we would ask him for the inputs, and I will share that with you on the WhatsApp group. All right. I think it's time that we complete the call for the day.
Yeah.
Everybody needs to get back to office.
Thank you all for coming over. We will all meet you on next Friday. Thank you.
I thought we are continuing till 10:30.
No, it is till 9:30 it was there.
So that is on a different idea. So that is why we changed the timing last time. No, 8 o'clock to 9:30.
Okay.
So anybody who, so those of you who like the format and who think that this 1.5 hour was something really valuable for your life, please give a thumbs up or a round of applause so that Sanjeev ji becomes happy.
You have to give a good smile now. Yeah, that will be good.
All right.
Thank you.
Atulji, I would like to add.
Yeah, please, sir. Yeah, please.
Meeting being conducted is fantastic. Need of the hour, and okay, by coming here, I'm supposed to meet very good people in business, and probably something may help to add dimensions to my business as well as my community gatherings. We are conducting similar kind of meetings, and since last 8 years I'm working with this fashion. Maybe you are more professional and proficient in English. मैं देहात का आदमी हूँ, तर खेडूतांना जरा मराठीतच बोलायला आवडतं.
ये ना तुम्ही मराठीमध्ये सांगू मी
translate करू.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you. It was nice. Your initiative is really good.
मला मराठी येत आहे पर बर येत नाही.
कुलकर्णी जी, आपका मोबाइल नंबर दीजिए.
सर जी, आप मुझे व्हाट्सएप पे ऐड कीजिए, मैं नंबर दे देता हूँ उधर. अतुल जी के पास है मेरा, और मैं यहाँ चैट में डाल देता हूँ सर.
हाँ, so nice. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. So let us complete it for the day. We'll meet next Friday once again. And this one, Amir bhi chala gaya aur Aarti bhi chali gayi. So I hope they do the work that they're supposed to do. All right. See you guys. Now I'll be getting into the CEO talk. So we'll meet on the other ID if any one of you is going to join there. All right. Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Send that ID to me.
I'll share that. Yeah.
Oh.